made it to the market. This one is too much. I'm trying to get your video. They said they don't know. Where the woman don't want them, I don't just know. You don't want to know. Hey guys, what time is it? It's still 12. Though, oh guys, good afternoon guys. How are you all doing? I'm heading to the market. This one is too much. I've been trying to make my baby sleep before I go. Let me start going. This one is too much. Let me go and look for and buy some few things in the market. I want to cook some okra soup and small stew. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. I didn't lock my door. Sun is too much. Guys, the sun is too much. I'm at my neighbor's shop. This is outside our gate, so she's selling here. The sun is quite much, guys. I'm waiting for bike. Can't even endure the sun. Maybe he's sleeping. He's with his dad, so I have to make him sleep before going to the market. So guys, please give the video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to the channel guys. Look at, everywhere is dry. There's no bike around. Everywhere is dry. My security guy has gone to look for bike for me.
Today, Monday, this is the main dealer.
Can't you away you? Are they buy you? Calculate this one.
Can't take 900.
I won't buy. Mom don't finish. Nutmeg. See, I'm here. No, I asked for the crayfish, they said they don't know. Whether the woman no want tell me, I don't just know. She don't want to know. Just cut 2 here for me.
She says she knows which one she
They mind it. And she got crayfish. How she tell they buy the crayfish now?
Maybe it don't look like say person wey get am. You are just ask them. Maybe it look like person wey they sell am.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I'm back guys, and I'm very tired. I'm feeling heat. I've paid too, but I'm still feeling heat guys. You can see I've changed my clothes. So I'm back, and then I got few things for markets. I could not make a video because my phone was down, and when I got home immediately I just entered, my baby woke up. I have to breastfeed them, then get ready for cooking. So yeah, I'm still feeling cold. I'm sorry guys, I'm feeling heat all over my body. So let me show you what I got. So guys, this is the bag. I have this one here. This is half penta of crayfish. I bought this just in my neighbor's house, so I just collected it because my crayfish is finished. So I left it for her. in her hands, and so I just collected it. Nutmeg. I want to be doing egg roll, guys. Sugar. Now since are expensive, oh, I bought where my hands are rich. I bought this is 650 now, no longer 600. Simas is 650, no longer 600. This one is 600 a cup. So I bought two. And it's 1 2. I bought this nutmeg 100 naira, that is 200 for it. Okay, this is orange. I bought orange 300 naira. I have 7 here for 300. So I got those fish, dried ice fish. This is for 800. I said 800. 1 8. But maybe where will you see fish 800? Ha! What did I say? 1 8. First fly. I got it for 1 8. Then this is red shombo pepper. I got this for 500. It's small. It's small. I did not see from my customer. I have 2 customers that I used to buy this pepper from, but I did not see from them. I went sorry and I don't do them anymore. Let me just so I have my half penta. One. Okay, half pepper here. Not just the tomato. I have pepper 1000. I have fresh tomato 1 each. Then, guys, I'm coming. I'll come for this one later. I also got fresh tomato. This one is 500. I need to add to it. No, I'm no longer making tomato soup and fresh tomato, so I need it. And these are the just for my okra soup. Even the dry fish is for the okra. This okra, 1000 naira, guys. This is soft fish, 500. I have oh, what I've soaked this crayfish. This woman, why did she add this thing together like this? I have 2 crayfish here, 200, and it's some 300. Then I have this. Guys, this is 2000 naira now. I don't even know. I mean, the bigger bottle is 4000 naira. I have to go for the half, though I still have, because I want to be doing an egg roll. So I had to buy this so that I'll add to the one I used to fry fish roll before. So yeah. And I have the Ziza leaf for the okra. I bought the Ziza for 200 naira. Yeah, it's finished. The meat I want to show you guys. Guys, look at this meat. This is 2000 naira meat. It's standard. Let me show you guys. This is it. 2000 naira. This meat is 2000 naira. Let me show you the second one. This one now is 5000. One is 2000. Did you see the difference? 2000, 5000. I want to use this one to cook stew or use this one to cook soup. They are same meat though. So I just bought them separate. Same meat. Kanda. I want to do kanda stew. So this is 5000. 2000, that is 7000. I wanted to get chicken, but the chicken I was seeing there was not well matured. It wasn't that okay. So I had to go for kanda and flesh together. So that is it, guys. So I'm back. So let me get into the video. I want to start cooking now. Let me start cooking the meat first. I'll see you guys later. So guys, this is the meat. This meat 7,000. 7,000 naira. Let me show you. Okay. That get by it with 7,000. So this is it, 7,000. So guys, I'm currently cooking the meat. I'll be using it to cook my stew and my okra soup. So that is it, guys. So guys, this is the meat I want to use to cook my soup, and I have here the remaining one for stew. So I'm really sweating. I want to go in with my stockfish. Go in with my dry fish. Then my red oil. I'll cover it. We'll come back later and check it. So guys, let's check. Oh, you can see it. Hope you guys can see it very well. So this is it. I don't have not too much water. You know your okra don't need excess water, so that it will not be watery. Just small water. Now I'll add my isam. Then isam. Periwinkle. Yeah. Then I'll go in with my grated okra. I grated just small amount. Guys, if you do this, if you cook your okra in this way, you are going to like okra. For those of you that don't like eating okra soup, if you cook your okra this way, you are going to like okra soup. Guys, very very delicious. This is one of the best way I love to do my okra. I make sure I grate a little bit of okra, then chop the rest. Now I'll be adding crayfish. Be adding up, and my uziza leaf. This is called uziza leaf. Try it in your okra soup, guys. You are going to love it. You are definitely going to love it. This is my okra. I'll stir again. I'm not going to put any seasoning because the meat stock is already well seasoned, so that's why I'm not using any seasoning. So test to make sure everything is okay. Just a little amount of salt I need. Look at my okra. I'm not putting it now. I'll put it later. So I'm going to put little salt. The okra don't need too much salt, guys. And a little pepper. Little pepper, guys. So you stir it. Wow, our okra soup, even while it's not ready, it's looking so delicious. I'll cover it. I like to cook for some time before I'll add this one. So guys, I'm going in. My okra has boiled. So now let's turn it so that You guys can see it, that it's lining. So I will put in this one now. So I'll just allow it to boil. No, you don't need your okra to overcook, guys. After I stir, I will allow it to boil for like a minute, guys. And our okra soup is ready. So it's vegetable. Does not need to overcook. Oh, this is my first way of eating okra soup, cooking okra soup. Wow, it's so good. So let's cover and allow it to boil for a minute. So guys, it's time to check the okra soup. Wow, okra is boiling. Oh my word. Oh guys, see, not too much water. This is the best way. I love my okra soup. You guys can see. Not too much water. Well cooked. Let's test. Oh, so nice, guys. So nice. So thank you guys for. We have not prepared our stew. So yeah, our okra soup is ready. So yeah, that's it, guys. Going to cover. Yeah, get that ready for the stew. I want to go and wash the tomato. Let me go and wash the tomato so that I can blend it. This is what the okra soup look like. So this is what our okra soup look like. Hope you guys, this is so delicious, looking so sweet, guys, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Yeah. So guys, I finished making the stew. You can see this so delicious. You can see. So I've also cleaned my kitchen. I've also washed the dishes. I've cleaned everywhere. So guys, I am done with today activities. Guys, it took me the whole day because of my baby. At the point my husband left to go and pick the kids by 3 o'clock. It closed by 3:30. So during that afternoon time, there is always a lot of traffic on the way because of the road they are doing at their area. So there's always traffic. So he left by 3. I waited for them to close by 3:30. Then he picked the kids and started coming back home. So yeah, before he came back was like 4 o'clock. So that 1 hour, and then I don't have fuel. We have to get fuel. I'm coming. Let me load this tea. So I have to mute the TV because it was too loud. So my baby is here with me. The kids have gone to bed. This is past 8. I'm done. I've been through with my cooking things and cleaning things. I've also ironed their uniform. Just that is now I just settled down to pick up my phone. The kids have gone. They just went inside to go and sleep. So guys, that is it. Please give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't stop watching our video. If this is your first time, thank you, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is also absolutely free, guys. Just tap the subscribe button and you see it's very free. It's so free, guys. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.